Macam ni. Okay.
Okay. Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Aini Azharwin. So today we're gonna have the negotiation session. So regarding the instruction pattern, we're gonna discuss about the ranking for the new motto for our faculty, from the most preferred to the least preferred. So there are 7 mottos to propose, which is an education of mind and heart, new vision, new direction, dream bigger, do greater, future ready leaders, transforming relief, be the change, and endless possibilities. So without wasting any time, I wanna ask any one of you to give the suggestion and opinion that, for the most preferred motto that you choose.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aini Zakaria. I want to say that my most preferred ranking for new motto of the faculty is an education of mind and heart, because education is the heart. Refer to the importance of not only focusing on developing the cognitive aspect, which is our mind, but also all the qualities that make us human, which is our hearts, and ultimately give us meaning in our life. In our life, that's all.
So thank you, Ain. So anyone to give their opinion?
I would like to give my opinion on that. So, hello, my name is Atiqah binti Mursyidi. In my opinion, I agree with what Ain said just now. When she said that it's the most preferred motto for our faculty, I actually agree, because when you hear an education of mind and heart, you can actually straight away imagine that this is what you offer to your students as a faculty, right? So just imagine you are the seller, and then the faculty is the seller, the students are the customer. So when the students hear about the motto, like an education of mind and heart, so the students know right away that it's what you offer to them. So yeah, so motto should be the thing that you don't have to explain much, but when people hear it, then you will definitely know that it's the thing that you want to offer. So yeah, I think for the Faculty of Science, an education of mind and heart should be one of the motto that is suitable.
Okay, thank you, Atiqah Mursyidi. So, so for the most preferred, the two of the members propose the most preferred motto is an education of mind and heart. So, what about others?
Okay, Assalamualaikum to all of you. Okay, my name is Atiqah MAHAIYUDIN. So, have a little bit different opinion regarding to the preferred motto to be proposed as a new motto to our faculty science. So, I choose to have a transforming life to be as our motto. Because I saw transforming life it's portrayed that we are doing a research. As we know that we are faculty science, we do a research what we are research for. We research to make or create something such as something new new thing to do, new way to do something to be doing more easier. So it also show that faculty science we are doing uh, a research or a work to distribute or to contribute to our industry too. So we on regarding on the transforming life, we more show that we want to make the our daily life work goes more easier. So that is why I choose transforming life to be our new motto in our faculty. So that is all about from me.
So thank you, Atikah. How about Auni?
I agree with Atiqah mursyidi and Aini that an education of mind and heart is the most preferred motto that I choose because for me, when we choose the motto for the faculty, that we need to choose something that more related to education, like when we educate our mind or heart, we're able to accept any opinion from others or lessons that have been teach, and we're able to understand more and apply it in our daily life. It also important that when we educate our minds and heart, we're able to open our mind and heart to accept other people opinions or any new information regarding any issue. So we also easy to be approached by other people. So,
Okay, thank you, Auni. And so the three of you chose the motto, the most preferred motto to propose for the faculty is an education of mind and heart, and the other one is transforming lives. So from my point of view, what Atikah MAHAIYUDIN said about the motto of transforming life, we as the students we have always do the research, right? Because we are the science students, and then do the research, and then from the research we got the new thing to do, and we got the new way to do something, and then from the others propose the most preferred motto is the an education of my heart. So from this, as we the students, we must open our mind and heart to do our best to give the best for our faculty, and then to apply in our daily life and also for the future. So I think that we're gonna choose the most preferred motto for our new faculty is the motto of an education of mind and heart. Or are there anyone who don't agree with this
I
decision?
agree.
I agree.
Okay,
I agree.
okay,
I agree.
okay, good. So we continue to rank for the least preferred to propose the new motto for our faculty. So what do you guys think? The least preferred motto for our faculty.
I think I want to give my opinion on this. So, for me, the least preferred motto among all these 7 suggested mottos is endless possibilities. Because when I look at the phrase endless possibilities, it's very vague and it's not clear to me. Because like when I look at it, I try to digest it, but I don't see the relation or the connection with our faculty. And also it's kind of typical actually, because when you do Google search or you find something on the internet related to this phrase, you can actually see like there are a few related brands or products with this tagline, endless possibilities. And usually like for example, a handphone brand can use the tagline as well, like endless possibilities, because their phones can do anything, or any gadgets like laptops, their camera can do anything, so they can use the word, the phrase endless possibilities. And also it lacks, yeah, because it's typical, so it lacks originality, which is something that is essential in choosing a motto, because you want your brand, for us, for the Faculty of Science, we want our brand as a faculty to be very original and very like us, like represent us, instead of like making choosing a motto that actually makes people think of other brands. So yeah, that's my opinion.
Okay. I agree with you, Atiqah Mursyidi, because of most commenters and those members of the public who have sketching comments in blogs, forums, and on social media sites missing the point. There may be a question around the chosen tagline, how it was arranged and why it was chosen, but the reality is the tagline doesn't really matter. Yeah, I agree with you.
So thank you to Aini and Atikah Mursyidi. So you guys propose the least preferred motto for our faculty is the endless possibilities, because it is too common that many brand or maybe like many social media use is very used this very commonly. So what about the others? What do you guys think, or what do you guys choose to the motto that you least prefer? The least preferred.
Okay, I will go with my point, which is the point that I choose to be the very least preferred to be our new motto in our faculty is dream bigger, do greater. Why I choose this? Because it's more like to be used. It is suitable. It is more suitable when it is used as a motivational for individual. So it is quite not suitable for a big group. Dream bigger, do greater. Because it is some look okay, but in other way, dream bigger, do greater is just like common. Okay, we always meet this this sentence or this tagline in it is not suitable like that, because it look very common to use for our group research group. Okay, so that is all from me.
For me, the least preferred motto for the faculty that I choose is be the change because it's quiet vibe and do not really specific because the changes may happen in many aspects like is it in the ranking of faculty or result of the student or and others. So in my opinion that when we choose a motto it need to be a more specific that we have a target to achieve it. So from the
Mak jangan buat
motto
bising. Kita ada
we're able to
buat video ni.
inspire us to try harder to achieve what we want. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Auni and Atiqah MAHAIYUDIN. So, Atiqah chose the least preferred motto, dream bigger, do greater, because it is also too common, and it is not very suitable for our research, for our student, because our faculty just always do the research, and it is not the new version of for us the students, right? So from Auni's point, she chose the least preferred motto, be the change, because it is not specific for the result, or maybe not specific to achieve our goal or achieve our target. So I think for the least preferred, the motto that we decided is endless possibilities, because two of you chose it right. So that will be the least preferred. And then for the second least preferred, we can choose the be the change or dream bigger, do greater.
In my opinion, I agree with Auni about be the change also being one of the least preferred. Because just now I chose endless possibilities as the least preferred, right? So in my opinion, after hearing Auni's opinion just now, I believe that be the change should be the second least preferred, because like Auni said just now, the change is not specific. It could be anything. It could be changing to the better or the worse. So yeah, because be the change is like, what is it that changes, right? So yeah, I agree with Auni because it's not that specific, but compared to endless possibilities just now, I think endless possibilities is more common and also has a wider scope. That's why I chose endless possibilities as the least preferred. But then I agree that the motto be the change should be the second least preferred.
So all of you agree with Atiqah Mursyidi? For anyone to
Yeah, I agree with if we choose be the change as the second most not preferred.
okay, so we're gonna choose be the change for the second least preferred, and then for the third we choose the dream bigger. I'm sorry because my connection was lost just now. So I continue. Okay, so for the second least preferred is be the change, and then the third one is dream bigger, do greater. The Atiqah Mahayudin choose just now. And then what about the others ranking for the third most preferred? Uh, Third most preferred to propose our motto for our new faculty.
To me, I think the third most preferred is transforming lives, because just now someone mentioned that because we do research, right? Like we have like industrial side as well, and then we have like the pure students as well. Like we have, for example, in mathematics we have pure mathematics, and also we have industrial mathematics, right? So we kind of have the balance between both industrial and also academia side. So I think, yeah, it could be transforming lives, like as one of our vision perhaps, because we do researches, and through these researches we make changes in lives, like we transform lives actually. So we make things easier. For example, we have like physics students, we have chemistry students, we have math students who can solve problems, so it makes lives easier. So, and therefore it could be our Faculty of Science could use the motto transforming lives as well. So I choose transforming lives as the third most preferred motto.
Okay. But I think that Atiqah Mahayudin chose the transforming life for the most preferred, right?
Yeah.
So I think that that motto will be the second, or will you guys just agree with Atiqah Mahayudin?
Yeah. I was agree with what Atika Mercedes did just now, because it's also more sense on that than to be sponsor all the transforming life.
Okay.
So
So for the third list, the most preferred.
okay, for the third one, I choose future ready leader. Future ready leader. As we know, we are Faculty of Science. We are doing research. That so in order doing research, we will also collaboration. We will do a collaboration with engineering in order to have for example, we want to create a machine. Okay, we do all the theory. So we as a science student, we do all the theory. Then we find the most easiest way to do something. So we will propose it to engineering student, and they will be all the things. We will they will doing all the things. Um, so we cannot say that we are the leader one, because it look like we who are we without engineering student also. So I not agree with this motto also. To me, it is not suitable to for being the motto for our faculty. That's all for me.
So for the third most preferred is future ready leaders.
Yes.
And then the students. So we gonna conclude for our group ranking. So based on what we have discussed, I can conclude that all of you has the final result for our group ranking. So for the most preferred motto that we propose for our faculty is an education of mind and heart, and then transforming life, future ready leaders, new vision, new direction, and then dream bigger, do greater. And for the least preferred, the second least preferred is be the change and endless possibilities. Okay, so we're gonna stop our negotiation session today. So thank you to all.